Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max, guys, and if you need to find the relay for the horn because your horn is not working, stay with us, we'll cover that today. Also we'll have a video top 5 reasons why the horn does not work on Ford C-Max, so check it out. Now that should work on generation Ford C-Max from year 2012 to year 2019. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for a really good price for your car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Another thing, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. So your Ford C-Max is equipped with 3 different fuse boxes, but we'll be working only under the one, in the one that's under the hood, guys. Okay, right here in the engine bay, you will have a fuse box. We have the cover open. How you open it? Right here, you just pry like that. Okay, oh my bad. You pry like that to the back. You pull up. Okay, it comes out. You can see just like that. Now that fuse box, guys, okay, if you hold it that way, the layout here corresponds to what we have specifically over there. You can see unfortunately it just says the fuse numbers, but it doesn't tell you what they're for or the relays in that matter. So the horn relay, if you look at it, guys, we need to look for relay number 2. And if you want to see how to test relays or fuses, I'll put links in the description of the video below that will teach you how to do that. So if you look right here on the very back side, on the very right here, that relay is for the horn. If you need to buy new ones for a good price, I'll put links where you can get them from. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.